So Monday morning, we have a Mercedes SLK here. This car is in here for front and rear shocks. It is time to replace them. They are very old and the drive is really bad. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna do a service on the car. We're gonna get this done today. We have a lot of work to do, release this car, so we can get on the next one. So here we have the brand new shock for this Mercedes SLK. Cars like this, you always got to do original parts to get the best performance out of it. Front's almost done. We're gonna knock out the rears as well, put the car together, test drive it, and that's it. Good to go.
Here we have a Tesla Model X. This one's a little bit extreme. The tire actually fell off the car. We have no problems repairing this. Customer called us worried. There's nothing to worry about here. We got this. Insurance company is involved and we're about to take care of this car. Here we have a Range Rover Sport. The customer lost his key, so this car was towed in here. So we're waiting on the insurance company to come inspect the car. Comment below, let us know how much you think it costs to repair this.
So what are we doing? Oh, we're gonna take
the snowplow, take it to the back. You touch
That's
every key 18 times.
Try this one.
Alright, so behind me we have a Ferrari 458. This car, unfortunately, the customer left his hood open. He did not notice. He drove. As he was driving, the hood opened, smashed his windshield, broke some of the fenders, a lot of damage. We're gonna show you guys a reenactment of this using another car just for safety. So kids, please shut your hoods. We're totally gonna redo the interior of this car, so don't look at it now. We're finishing up the outside first, and then we're gonna do the interior. Everything's gonna be changed. It's gonna look really nice. So this project, Helleanor, will be done soon. Trend, uncompleted cars. You've seen it here first, RDB.
So this is our other location. We do body work, wraps, customization. We do everything. 2 locations. Let's go.
Get up. Oh, f around. How many? Last time you f me up bad, remember? Woo!
It's been a crazy Monday. There's still a lot of time. We got a lot of work done, a lot of cars out. We still got a couple hours more to go. Not a problem. We got this.
That's never gonna get old, and that's the last time I'm doing that actually. Alright, so we're doing a little unboxing right now. This is an exhaust system for a car, obviously. We're not gonna tell you guys what car it is. We want you guys to guess what car it's for. It's an exotic car. It's very powerful. It is newer, pretty new car. So guess below, let us know what you guys think this car or this exhaust belongs to. Let's cover this and just zoom in on it. So this is a full titanium system.
All right, here we have 2 Shorts Panamera. It's stripped, ready to be wrapped. We ordered the film. We're waiting for it to come in. It should be here in about 2 to 3 days. Let's get this thing going. All right, so we removed the rear tail lights. We removed the rear emblems for complete quality control. We removed the emblems. We're gonna get new ones. We're gonna paint it a custom color for him. Not sure what we're gonna do, but we're gonna make something really sick. He wants a little different, you know, different Panamera. It's not going to be just a regular black hat. We're going to add some color in it with the wheels. The wheels are already being done at the moment, being masked, being painted. Want you guys to see how this one's going to turn out. So here we have a Bentley. We're doing this one gold chrome. We removed all the parts, we're wrapping it the right way. We also did the door jambs on this car, so it takes a little bit longer because we have to remove everything in the inside and outside to make sure it's 100% guaranteed that there will be no peeling. Here's the original color that it is. We wrapped it in gold chrome. Also, we did not do a blackout on this car. No blackout. We left the chromes on there so it can be chrome and chrome gold. So here's the headlight bezels. We usually take these out and we black it out, but it's a gold chrome car. We want to leave some chrome on there, so we're leaving all the chromes, including the headlight bezels.
We just finished wrapping this Flying Spur in gold chrome. Door jambs, everything. So you guys have seen it before. It's very gold, it's very bright, it's very flashy. Customer wanted to leave the chrome on there, the existing chrome. So it's gold chrome with regular chrome. Looks pretty cool. It's definitely gonna be seen when he's driving. So let's take it for a test drive and make sure it's good.
Man, I am hyped up for this occasion. We are releasing this gold chrome Bentley, and I love gold. Look at this, I'm all bling bling, baby. RDB on my chest, RDB all over. My phone too, we're all good to go. So we're releasing this car. We're gonna go for a test drive to see how everything is, just to make sure. Catch you guys later. Peace, baby. I love this whole gold feeling, baby. It's insane. Test drive, everything is beautiful. There's no lights on the car, and I got a lot of gold on me, along with my RDB gold chain. You guys gotta love it. Representing for the gold chrome car. So we're going back to the shop right now. The customer's gonna come pick this one up today. He's gonna love it. This is a gold chrome edition. So headed back to the shop. Good to go. Back at the shop, test drive is good. Gotta get back to work. Oh.